Hello guys, today we are having make your own cool tasty treats. Nope, Dairy Queen Blizzard Maker.
Yeah.
This is blocking now. And we're using Lily's little machine. And we're also having Dippin' Dots popping candy with a candy coating. Mint chocolate. And what?
I got it for my birthday.
For her birthday.
A year ago.
A year ago, so it's filthy as can be.
We gotta wash these.
Yeah. You gotta wash all of this. And what's that hollow? Or sounds like in glass. I don't know. Well, now I soap and watered all of this. Don't worry, I'm not dying today. So first, let's add the what is this?
You're not supposed to add it into here. Add it into here and then we stir.
Okay. So might as well just use this then. Okay. Want to add that? I don't know. The sugar, and then this is the vanilla. And then you add a dash of salt
to the ice.
No, you add a whole bunch of salt to the ice. You just add a little dash of salt to the ice cream, I think.
No, I'm pretty sure it does the ice cream salt.
Well, you know what?
But this is for that.
Have a little salt in your meal. Okay. Now we're going to mix. Pause the video. Let the mixing begin. We'll just fast forward, you know.
I want candy.
Then work for it.
No.
Oh, don't spill it.
And we will be back after this quick commercial break as Jonathan steals the show.
Hi, do you like inflatables? Do you like pools? Buy this thing for your children. They can go in water a whole foot deep. Buy now. In stores now. My God, and it represents a shark because we're kind of hoping for your child that...
It's cold! Okay, pause the video. Now we got pork. Now, we gotta get the ice. Doesn't sound like that no more. Yeah? Yeah? Huh.
I recommend you pray for this child. He can't quite hear the echo.
That's what you call a professional!
Yeah. So, where's my money for doing this? Come on, pay up. Pay up! You have the money, don't you? Now, for the final thing.
And then we gotta stir, so that isn't the final thing.
Shut up!
Gotta make it true.
True tube. Okay, now
The ice is all
breaking your machine today.
The ice is all on that side.
Wait, how do you even shut this thing?
The ice is all on that side.
You stupid.
Good.
That isn't shut.
Here, let me think.
I don't know. I think there's too much ice. I turned it off. It's
Okay,
because you
thong dog.
It's
That was fake.
because you added them. Yeah, you added them. That's why.
Click play.
As you can see clearly, the cameraman was screwed up in this situation. They mixed up pause and play. So everything that I wanted on footage wasn't on. Everything I didn't was also... No, it was on. What we added off camera was those pop rocks. The reason it is lopsided right now is because the pop rocks were on the bottom, and that's why it was so funny.
Who knows if we got that last bit on footage? We're stirring it now. For 10 minutes.
It's just boring.
I think you should let it sit till it freezes up. Like that other machine. I can hear the pop rocks.
Maybe we should have had them last.
Shut off. It's not even working.
It works.
Does not.
How long has it been?
How long does it take you for real?
It's 7:18. It has to be 22, right? Did you say 22?
Oh, it's probably not working because it's not in the bottom. Run.
In the what bottom?
Okay, pause it till we're done.
Yeah, we are not that slow.
Run. After watching so many run memes, we
We got it.
finally got it. That
It's like a
is
slushy.
good. Man, oh man.
Looks good. It's not good yet.
Well, go get a spoon so that we can scoop all the extra off. Oh, pause the video. Okay. Now we gotta scoop all this off. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Looks so good in the hood.
Looks like a slushy.
Looking good in the hood.
Okay, that's good.
Yep.
Okay. Don't do anything.
Now where do you want it? You want to grab that off? Grab that off. Pull it off.
You need this to go.
Okay. Make sure it doesn't get on the mat. Okay. Let's see. You want to pull it?
Okay, ready?
Wait, you didn't pull it.
Oh, you just pull it. Oh, yeah.
Doggy. Oh.
I don't know if that's enough.
I think it is. I don't know how. I think that's more than what the next one's gonna get. How much you want to bet?
Oh, maybe.
Kidding.
Okay, ready?
Okay, finally.
It's cold, I think it is.
Yep, it's pulled.
Okay.
Looking good.
Are you sure?
Within the hood.
Are you sure it's cold?
Yeah, it's full.
Oh, there it is. It just wouldn't work, so I was like, what?
Bowie. We ran out, didn't we?
Nope, it's just because it's up, down.
Huh. Run. Scoops in for a third. Nope, that was all of it.
Oh my. There's probably more. There's probably more.
Let's get shots of this first. Gotta raise up the camera.
Here.
Tripod. Whatever mod. That.
There's more in here. There's more in there.
Oh, I'll surely scrape that. Wow. That is the final. Wait, we gotta get a picture. Oh, my bet was right, I think.
I don't know. Well, we got more in there, so.
Now let's get a good picture.
Oh, that one looks good.
Yeah, we don't
That
got
one
no
looks like a
paper. We're back. And we're on.
None your business.
Okay, look at this. It's melted all, so
It
all of our
looks good.
efforts just went down the drain.
Looks anyway good. It's really good.
It is pretty good.
Put the pop rocks in so yeah, I can feel it's popping.
It tastes very good. What flavor were the Pop Rocks? Mint or something? It says mint chocolate. Yeah, it does taste mint chocolate. The ice cream. And I can definitely feel that popping. And that is very good, actually. 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20, 1 million out of 1 million. Well, maybe 1 point less, because there might be something better out there. 1 point less of a million.
Make it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of
Really
10.
good.
Nope. It is very good. So good. It was almost worth it. All that work. We'll check. We'll see if it was worth it by the views. Yeah, it's automatically worth it because this stuff made it so good.
Or else it would just be vanilla. Vanilla good tasting.
Very good. 100 out of 100. Maybe 99 out of 100. Bye.
Oh, bye.
What can I steal today?
He's mine.